Finally bought my bike. Nice beginner bike, if you ask me. After 4 weeks in, a good amount of practice and learning. I'm excited. It was time for a fall. Not really. But yeah, I ate it already. Nothing too crazy. I'm still going. But we'll have a new sneaker cover soon, and I'm back on the road. Now it's a done deal. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Let's get back on it. Got the new bearings installed. Got that new stator cover installed. Built my own little camera holder for my Insta.